In this question, if a plus b plus c equals to 0 is given, and you have to find this value. So you can clearly see that in this value, you are given a square b square c square a square. And here is a square b square c square whole square. So obviously you have to convert this particular term in this format, then only we will be able to get the answer. So what I do, I will square this both sides. So it is a plus b plus c equals to 0. I'm squaring it both sides, right? So we can square the equation both sides anytime. So if I square this, RHS is 0 only, 0 square is 0 only, but a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right. So I'll open it like this. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 0. So this term is equals to 0. So 0, and this I wrote in the expanded form. When I wrote, I can write a square plus b square plus c square is equal to this portion. When will be shifted to right side, it will be negative, because this is positive. When it will go to the right side, it will become minus 2ab. So when we shift from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, the sign changes. So plus 2ab changes to minus 2ab, minus 2bc, and minus 2ca. So this got shifted to that side. Now we got the value of a square plus b square plus c square like this. This is written. But we don't need a square plus b square plus c square. What we need is, square of this. In numerator, you can see that you have to find the square of this, right? So we can find the square of this as well. So let's do, take a square plus b square plus c square equals to, let's take minus 2 common from this. We can take minus 2 common. So in this, when I took minus 2 common, here ab is left. Minus 2 common plus bc is left, right? Minus 2 common plus ca is left, right? So basically we got this value, a square plus b square plus c square value is this. But we want square of that. In the question which was asked, we need square. So we will square it again. So we will square again, square both sides again. So we will do square both sides again. So once I'll square, it will become a square plus b square plus c square whole square. And if I square it, it is minus 2 whole square and AB plus BC plus CA whole square, right? So when I'm doing square, I'm squaring it both sides, right? So I have squared it both sides, and it is A square plus B square plus C square is equal to minus 2 whole square is 4. And this is AB plus BC plus CA whole square. AB plus BC plus CA whole square. So basically we got the value of this whole square thing as well. Numerator, which we need to find. So I'm just highlighting this. We got the value of this, right? So we got the value of numerator. What we did, we squared both sides. We got the value of a square plus b square plus c square. But we want square of it. So we squared again. And once we squared, minus 2 whole square become 4. And this will become whole square. AB plus BC plus CA whole square. So I'm just placing the value in the question asked. In the question, it was asked that you have to find a square plus b square plus c square whole square divided by a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. Right? This is what been asked in the question. So I'm again solving this further. This further. Okay. So I'm just solving this further. A square plus b square plus c square whole square came out equal to 4 times of AB plus BC plus CA whole square, right? This is the value we got. Now let's solve it further. Now if I will consider it as A, B, C, so this is nothing but A plus B plus C whole square. I can apply the formula again. So if I will apply the formula again, what is this? X, Y, and Z. Let's say this is X, Y, and Z. So X plus Y plus Z whole square is nothing but X square, which means A square B square, plus Y square, which is B square C square, plus z square c square a square plus 2ab 2 the 2xy, this and this, right? 2ab formula ab and this is bc. So we will multiply 2 times of this and this plus 2 times of this and this, right? This is the formula. So bc into ca plus 2 times of this and this. This is what we are doing. When we multiply, means when we expand this, we write 2 times of this and this, then 2 times of this and this, and then first and last. Same we did in this, right? So this is first and last. AB into CA. So now we will open this bracket. So 4a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square plus this comes out to be, see, in this whole thing, I can take 2 times of ABC common. See, in this term, 2 is there, A is there, B is there, C is there. In this also 2 is there, B is there, C is there, A is there. In this also 2A, B, C is there. Right? So I can take 2 ABC common in these 3 terms. If I will take 2A, B, C common, here B is left. If I take 2 B, C or A common, C is left. If I take 2A, B, C common, A is left. So basically when I take 2A, B, C common, inside we will get B plus C plus A. So but we know that what is the value of A plus B plus C given? 0. A plus B plus C was 0. So I can place the value of this as 0. Right? So if I place this as, this is equal to 0. So 4 times of A square, B square plus B square C square plus C square A square plus 0. Because this 0 into something will become 0. Right? This is being multiplied with this. So this into 0 into something is 0 only. So basically from here we can say that what is the value of this came out. What we were actually doing, we were finding the value of this. So what is the value of A square plus B square plus C square whole square came out? This only. So from here we can say that A square plus B square plus C square whole square came out to be 4 times of A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. Right? Now what we have to find? We can shift this to LHS, right? This is being multiplied. When it will go in LHS, it will be divided. Or you can just put the value in the question. What was asked? A square plus B square plus C square whole square upon A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. This was asked in the question. So we will put the value of this. What is the value of this? 4 times of this. So we will put the value of this. 4 times of A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. This is the value we found out of the numerator part. Now we place the denominator as it is and we found out that this particular portion is similar. Right? This and this is same. So this got cancelled out and answer came out to be, our answer came out to be 4.
4.
So 4 is the correct answer.